Do you feel the vibes?
Hey guys, so we're about to go doorbell ditching with Henry and Alex. So we're gonna find someone who should doorbell ditch, guys.
We're gonna go get James.
James?
Yeah, big James.
Okay. Okay, so I'll see you when we're the next place. Clean sweeps. Going in. What's happening? What's happening? Go. He's getting so annoying. He's going in. Henry, do it. Be a savage. Maverick. He's going in. Do this. Shh. He's going in. He's going in. He's going in. Oh, shit.
You gotta video it.
No, I saw her. They're here. Henry. Oh, wait, oh, Henry, he's back. What's happening? Wait, Henry. Where's he? What happened? Henry. Yo, what happened?
She saw me.
She saw you? She come out the door?
No, she came out.
Yo. Henry, how was that experience? Henry, was that insane? Oh, he's going back. Dude, here, take the camera. I'm going in.
Oh my way.
Stay there, Alex. Stay there. Dude, should I go in?
No, I'm going to take the camera.
Go in. Guys, I think she came out. I'm not sure. Guys, come. Wait, Theo's there? Theo's there? I shot at one. Wait, I'm going the other way. I got this. What? I'm recording.
Alex, go.
Does it go through here? Are there cameras? I'm gonna stay here and record. Go, I'm recording here.
I keep the gate open.
Okay, it's open. Bad hops. What are you going? Oh, do they come out? Yo, blueberries, eat one. No, the poisonous?
No, they're berries.
Should we get Max Road? Max